Hey everybody, so today in art we are going to review what we talked about the past week, which is symmetry. So just to recap, what is symmetry? Symmetry is when a subject has two sides or halves that are the same shape, size, and proportion. For example, we got a butterfly. They're both the same on both sides. So let's get started. You're going to need 3 pieces of paper, scissors, crayons, and a glue stick. And for your crayons, let's try to pick out some pinks, purples, and reds for Valentine's Day. Alright, so I have my 3 pieces of paper, my crayons, my scissors, and my glue. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to color my first piece of paper, and you can do anything you want. It has to be a design though. So my design is going to be stripes. So I'm creating a striped pattern on my first piece of paper. And like I said, I'm going to use those colors for Valentine's Day: pinks, purples, reds, and I'm just making stripes. All right, so now that I have that one done, what you're going to do is you're going to take another piece of paper, and what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to peel off the wrapper of my crayon, and then I'm going to use the edge of my crayon to color up my background. All right, you guys. So once you have got that second piece of paper colored in, we're gonna do another design on our third piece of paper. And on this one, I'm gonna make a spiral shape. So I just started in the middle and I made a spiral going all the way around to the edges of my paper. Now I'm gonna do a different color and I'm just gonna keep going around and around. And then I'm gonna color in each section. Okay, so once you finish coloring in all three pieces of your paper, you're going to take two of them and you're going to fold them in half. And it doesn't really matter which way you fold them, but I'm actually going to fold mine going with the crayon on the inside so that I can draw my shapes on the outside. So we're folding them, and then we're going to draw a half of a heart on the fold. Make sure it's on the fold. So see how that's folded that way? You're going to do it on the other side. And you're going to draw a half of a heart. I'm going to do one big one. And then I'm going to do a couple of small ones on my other paper. But you can do as many as you want. If you want to do all small ones, you can do all small ones. If you want to do two big ones, that's totally fine too. Once you've got them, you're going to use your scissors and you're going to cut them out. All right, so once I have cut out all of my hearts, I'm gonna glue them down to my paper. And you can glue them down however you want. It's really up to you which way you want them to go. Alright, you guys. So the very last step is I'm gonna take a black crayon and I'm gonna outline all of my hearts because we really want them to stand out, especially since we did all similar colors on our background paper. That black crayon is gonna really help our hearts stick out. So just outline each of them so that we can see them a little bit better and so they stand out on our paper. Right, so once you've outlined all of your hearts, you're done. I hope you enjoyed this project, you guys. Happy Valentine's Day.